everyone, welcome to my channel TECHTOBYTE, and today we are going to unbox the graphic card Radeon RX6700 XT. So I'm going to do unboxing in this video, and in the further connecting videos I will explain that what is the price and how's the mining rate, how much I will get in a month. That will discuss in a separate video. Comment down if you want that video. So let's start with the unboxing. This is a gigabyte model, 12 GB VRAM model, and this is a 3-fan model. So you can see, you can enjoy the unboxing as playing in the video. We are specially using this graphic card for mining purpose. So I will discuss the pros and cons in the connecting video. If you want proper explanation of how much it can mine and how much you can earn by making a rig from this graphic card, you can comment down below, and you can subscribe my channel also. So you can see we have 2 HDMI ports and 2 display ports here. For the gamers, this is like a heaven. But I know this is not a perfect graphic card for mining. So let's see how much it can mine. I will give you an overview. Okay, so to watch that we have to run a command motd_watch. Now you can see the hash rate is visible there. I'm getting 43 point something, I think 43.7 hash rate. And for information, the card is totally running on the stock. I haven't overclocked it yet. This is a OC edition. It means you can overclock it to get a better hash rate. I guess we can get up to 50 or 48 something hash rates from this card. I hope you like this video, so please like, comment and share, and subscribe also, so that you can get the further videos and you can get more information about the working and mining capabilities of this card. Thank you everyone.